Did you know it can take the average person 30 seconds to inflate a balloon with air? With a helium tank, you can shorten that time to 1.8 seconds. That's 94% more efficient. Data shows that the average campaign can take 4 weeks to launch. With our new tool, Recurring Efficient Digital Distribution, also known as REDD, we're able to increase efficiency by 75% or more. So what problem are we solving for exactly? Here we've shown you some fancy buzzwords to represent that.
Acting as the content strategist, REDD makes it possible for retailers to efficiently deliver curated content within a dynamic ad unit to consumers, resulting in increased local store traffic and sales.
So what is our solution? REDD is a turnkey solution that gives Cofactor a competitive advantage by generating a customizable, automated report that highlights advertisers' upcoming content and provides them with a real-time working ad unit, populated with data which can be easily launched for a distribution campaign.
This is very different than how we handle distribution campaigns today. We're going from an event-based to evergreen, 4 weeks to 1, reactive to proactive.
All involved parties benefit from Cofactor's REDD solution. Some of those benefits include turnkey and hands-free activation and execution, strong connection to the brand, and generates revenue.
As you can see, we've outlined an easy 10-step process for all parties involved, making this a thoughtful and simple solution to implement. So let's see how this works.
Once a content strategy is defined, these key pieces of information will be logged within the Evergreen Campaign Manager within Content Platform. Ongoing, when executing each campaign, ops will trigger when content processing is completed for an upcoming promotion. This will alert the Campaign Manager that content is ready for curation. Within Content Platform, they will be able to preview available content for each predefined criteria and make selections for demo links. Once completed, they can select Generate Links. This will generate an email notification containing demo ad units populated with requested offers. This will be sent to the client for them to select which approach they want for the upcoming campaign.
So the reason we chose Aldi to feature in our demo is that they are a current account of ours who currently uses an event-based strategy for their distribution. Where we think we can come up with additional revenue for their account is using the REDD tool. So typically they do about 6 different events per year. Average revenue for us is $1,000 to $2,000 per event, and there's about a 10 to 14 day time frame for those flights. If we can go ahead and take that same time frame and estimated revenue and project that out over the remaining weeks of the year, you can see that we have about a 300% increase in revenue for Aldi just by presenting this new solution.
Let's review our go-to-market strategy. REDD is the perfect solution for any new and existing advertisers who are using our API.
So how are we going to sell this solution? We've determined that there's 3 tiers of retailers that we need to prioritize and speak to. Tier 1 accounts are already using the Cofactor API for distribution campaigns. We want to try and extend the reach of those campaigns and create always-on opportunities. Tier 2 are accounts of ours that are not doing distribution, but we have their content, so it makes sense to get them using the API to power digital campaigns. And then Tier 3 are the prospects that we're currently going after, so those will take a little bit more time as we need to make those introductions and grow those relationships and get their content.
We have good news. We were able to complete a lot of work in the last 2 days. We've built fully functional ad units and created the database process to generate the email with demo links. We still need to update the internal tools to accept these changes and wire up the ad units, but we're a lot closer to this product than we were just a few days ago.
So we've done some initial LOEs, and the cost to Cofactor is about $54,000 for this new product. Based on estimated CPMs and impressions, we're expecting to turn a profit by the end of Q3 2016. The good news is that for 2017, we're estimating a 30 to 50% increase in digital distribution revenue over last year.